How to end streak on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Snapchat application on a device and make sure that you're logged into your account. After logging into your account, you'll be able to see by going onto your profile and then tap on Snapchat Plus and you'll be able to see the Snap Streak option over here. So here you can see the Snap Streak restore. But to be honest, there's no other way or no specific way to end the streak. It's very simple. All you have to do is just not send any snaps to the person or to a friend so that you'll be able to end the streak on Snapchat. So when you do not send any snap to the person or to a friend for 24 hours, then the streak will be removed or it will end automatically. Next, if you really want to end the streak immediately, what you can do is just block the person or the friend that you want to end the streak with, and then the streak will be ended automatically. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.